Hello, welcome to my Sri Lankan Kitchen. Today I am going to do another easy recipe how to do a calamari dish. I am going to do a quick dish, saute calamari with radish. Very easy, and you can see how I blend radish and calamari together by using LYMOL. This is the most important thing to get LYMOL recipes in your day-to-day preparation, and we don't use lime anymore. Onion going to be, and garlic, tomatoes, and some curry leaves, calamari. I use baby calamari, known as cuttlefish in Asian countries, and a little bit of green beans. If it is Europe, you can use some snow peas, that's fine, and radish, white radish. Even here you can use even red radish, that is fine, but I use here white radish, and a little bit of tomatoes, and a little bit of soya sauce, and this is going to be my ingredient, and LYMOL is there always. It's going to play the major role in my cooking. So I'm going to cut my beans in to slant like this, and radish going to be sliced thin slices, and I'm going to cut again. In here it's not a issue. You can cut radish into dices, that's fine, as long as the radish cooks very fast you can do. So sliced garlic and onion, and calamari to be sliced into rings. So add a little bit of oil and put some curry leaves, follow with onion and garlic. So you can see within few seconds time onion gets golden brown, and follow with radish. Actually radish to be cooked maybe like 1 or 2 minutes time, and then I am going to follow with beans, because I don't want to destroy my green color of the dish, because especially when you're using beans, spinach type of things, make sure the cooking time is very important. And I add a little bit of vegetable stock, because I want to cook my radish and beans the same time. So I put my calamari as well, and sprinkle a little bit of chili pieces, or you can use chili flakes, that's fine, and a little bit of salt, and let it cook in very slow fire, maximum into 3 minutes. Mix it, and you see how nice and how juicy my calamari and radish going to be. See how nice the water percentage comes from the calamari, and it will give you something unique. Add the LYMOL at the last stage, so it's going to be, and pour a little bit of soya, add some tomato sauce at last. So it's going to be my calamari with radish. my dear friends, I hope you enjoy the recipe. How to do a sauté calamari with radish. So thank you very much for being with us, and I want you to try LYMOL and be a fabulous LYMOL fan. Thank you very much.